A little further down the river, he come to it first.
Thank you, Mike.
So you want me to take over, Tim?
No.
Not gaining that thing.
He's tugging pretty hard.
Yeah. Is this a smoker?
Nope. This ain't a smoker.
He's pulling.
This fish will be 50 pounds, I bet.
Is he taking it yet?
Yeah.
He's gaining a little bit.
I'm moving my line
He
in.
decided he wanted to come up here and check this out. See what got the hold of
He left mine and he was afraid of me.
it. He still might get one yet.
Double.
Now he's coming. He's pissed, Tim. Any advice on how you catch these big blues, Tim?
They want to get me the net. I'll be ready.
Oh! He's
What
just
is
come
a
up.
60-pound catfish still?
Oh!
Nah, maybe he'll be under it. If not, we'll get a mess
I
up.
think he's 100, Tim.
There he
He's right under the boat.
Oh, is he?
He's under the boat. Don't let him get around that prop.
You're over a minute 30 right now.
Oh!
Oh! Is he taking some?
You may have the record break.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, that's a big one.
Oh, 70 pounds.
Oh, Tim. Oh!
Oh,
Tim.
Oh,
No problem.
Aren't you glad I made switch poles now with you?
I bet you ain't.
come on, baby, give. Your mama's got to live.
there he is. He's taking some line, huh?
She went right down the bottom there.
How are those pipes doing?
You ain't got him in the boat yet, Tim.
Not
Better
yet.
not get him in that prop.
Got a hole in my net. I hope you don't go through there.
245.
Looks like about a 70-pounder. Oh, he's got. Holy cat, he's big.
Oh, oh, Christ. She wore me out.
Yeah. You get him in, Mike?
Oh,
I think he's.
I think he's going to be a...
I think you got the record there. That's
the record.
Uh-oh.
an 80-pounder.
Oh, look at that thing.
Holy crap!
The hook probably was right there in the, yeah, see where the hook was?
Oh, yeah.
It
Oh,
was right there and he made a hard turn. And
Oh,
it
you
actually
caught
come
him.
out and hooked him again somehow.
Oh, my lucky
you a
one.
lucky dog.
Oh, he's a big guy.
Over